It is true that synergy between the government and the private sector will always be a defining factor in the overall development of the country. So we will not stop here. We will continue to develop a highly interconnected road network that will facilitate our country's rapid, inclusive, and sustained economic growth.
Yung mga expressways, ang tawag natin dyan, it's a conduit of economic progress because it is a way to enhance mobility. Itong ating NLEX connector ay isa na namang project na pinagtulungan ng DPWH, ng DOTR at ng Metro Pacific Tollways Group kasama ang NLEX. So it's again another testament that when the public sector and the private sector work together, meron tayong ma-achieve para sa ating bansa. Ang commitment po natin ay pagbutihin ang paggawa ng ganitong klaseng mga project nang sa ganoon ang ating progreso as a country ay magtuloy-tuloy at mapakinabangan ng mas marami pa nating kababayan.
This is a very significant infrastructure project that is aligned to the 8-point agenda of the President to reduce yung goods and logistic costs in the urban areas and of course throughout the country. It will be very significant already to provide a alternative facility to motorists from the Western Corridor, particularly in the port areas, so that they will avoid actually yung chronic traffic in the internal roads of Metro Manila, including EDSA. This is a project that demonstrates actually the willingness of the private sector to support the Build Better More of the President. There are so many projects and actually we continue to invite actually the continued participation of the private sector in all our efforts actually in this big infrastructure development program of the country.